bonfire night today. It's time for a little surprise. Sorry, guys.
Look, Dad, what you?
Can't see much got, guys. It's gonna be a long video.
Give you a long video.
What?
PJs. Two little fucking little.
Huh? Get your shoes on. Get your shoes on. No, just be here. Can you see
That was when we went that caravan, wasn't it?
Oh, it's
Oh, Dad, we found a picture of Lola when she was little last night, you know, she looked just like you.
Hey, Mum, the full moon's out.
Is it?
Yeah. That's a star. Lots of stars around here.
Tear face. You have to have a photo. You have to.
Having a berry.
You have to have a photo.
Oh, she's got a...
Can't see him.
I'm going to walk.
Can't see him. Can't hear him.
Not you.
The other way.
Mum, can't see him. Can't hear him.
Yeah, just I've got stuff at work for these.
What's that?
Oh, car. Over there. Over there. Over there. Well, Sweetie, take the camera. Take the camera. Hey guys, what the fireworks is. Can you guys see them through that car? Can't see him. Wait, I'm just gonna go get my shoes while we're. Hey. Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes? We saw one. We saw one. Did you see that one, guys? Space, do you want a sparkler? Yeah, sure. He said yeah. Oh! Get your coat on, Space. Did you just see that? Space! Go and get your coat on. I'm in Monday, I'm alright. Space, they're here now. Whoa! Space! Did you just see that guy? Space! Wait! I'm just getting the views to see the fireworks. I know it can't be a long video, but what the hell? What the space massacre? What the space massacre? What the space massacre, man? Don't hold it back. Hold by the end. Make sure you don't drop it. Look, guys, we've got sparklers. Right, what if it's blue light? No, just stop. No, just let's see what happens. The metal part. That's a metal part. The metal part. Stopping out, to be honest. Is the light. Right. J, U, N, E, R, R. Space, look at mine. L, O, L, A, M. E-O-E-Y. Blow this out, Anne. Blow this out. Sweetie, get the water on, quick. Why? Cause. Just do it. What's this
What are you doing? Why are you put...
Jay wants to put it out. He's scared. Lily, you just I Oh my god. Oh. Holy Space Massacre. That thing just scared the pants out of me. I see something. Bro, look at all the smoke. Look. This is that. Oh, guys, it's just behind that. You weren't able to see it. Oh my gosh, I think I just caught that. I think I just 1 second before caught it. Oh, what the cat? Oh! Oh! Ah! Sheesh! Lord. Let me out this! Let me out this! Oh yeah! I've got another one. Oh yeah, boy! Space, you've got another one. I'll go get his.
No, but then phone quality
Holy cow! Yes.
No.
Yeah, I said yeah. Wait, let's go out. And let me light yours off. Let me light yours. Let me light yours now. Light me again. Let me. Two sparkles. 3 sparkles on them. 4. Wait, can you do some of mine? No, sweetie. Feel like we're gonna burn these off. Here we go. Dad! We got 2 sparklers in 1!
You're alright, Jay.
Oh! Yes, we did too much sparkler. Look what Jada stuck on my sparkler. Oh my gosh. Guys, get it all right. Holy cock. Oh!
Junior,
Whoa!
come on.
I'm just looking at the fireworks. Oh! That burnt me ears. Oi! Oi! You want to watch them? Oi! Oi! You want to see them?
It's a piece of chicken chips. Kebab,
Can we stay here till you? Guys, this is happy bonfire night, guys.
Junior.
Ooh, firework! Let me light this.
Junior. Coat.
Coat.
Mummy's got your torch, I think. Shut everything upstairs that you're supposed to have done. Done.
Mum, look at this! Look at this! Wait, I got triple. Look at this, Dad! We did 3 sparklers at once! I'm coming out. Oh, luckily you guys didn't see it. Give me some of yours. On top. Out. Oh, God. Ben, put it on here. I'm sorry if this is a super long, but it's kind of worth. And guys, today the full moon's out. Hey! Guys, just look up there. You'll see a bunch of fireworks. Bunch of fireworks, boys and girls. So I hope you like this video. Yeah,
Hold you.
Oh, what's that?
Absolutely. Yeah, stay here.
whoa! There's a bunch going off to. Oh! Oh no! Oh! What the parents doing? Bro, this is gonna be a Ooh! Right. By the way, if you don't know if I'm actually a parent or not, I'm actually a kid. You probably already knew that on, on the 20 subscribers special, but if you're new, it's free to subscribe and like. And here's a quick shout out to Mr. Boss. Oh!
Hey, get it away from my face!
Wait, there's a sparkling so the viewers can see it. Look at this, boy. Yeah, you've got triple, so do me triple. No, do me. Stop. Oh god. Hey, can you do me one? There you go.
I've got 2 left.
Triple boy.
Just be careful with them, please. Don't get them near your coat. Right, put them there.
The light was on.
You left. Them rubies.
What about Ruby? Ruby has the tag on.
Oh yeah. Please, forgot about that.
Jay, no. Thank you.
Right, that should be the end of the video. I'll see you. Bye.